Me big daughter. A long time me not hear from you. What happened to you? Me cannot call me.
Oh, sorry, mommy. No, I just been busy and stuff. You okay though?
Why? Me half it okay now because me hear your voice. I'm glad to see your face. Me think you're sick. Lucky thing them have sick name FaceTime. By the way, you know say a long time you not send no money for me.
Oh gosh, I'm working on it, mommy.
And when are your flight date?
I'm not sure. I'm trying to be there for next week, but I'm text you later with the details.
Me need you to pick up some nice stuff for me, like some nice dress and nice shoes. You hear?
I got you.
Okay.
Any color in particular you like, or type, or brand? Or...
Look here. Anything we no have no name on him, me no want it. So just take up the things then when you know if you take up. You understand?
Alright, I got you, bougie. Okay, just stay safe. Love you too.
Bye. Alright then.
How about the work? I'm the doctor for how are you?
Okay. Alright, thank God you come because the next gardener gone, you know. So me happy if you know say you come back. You ready for work? Come, you can start right now.
We're ready.
Yeah, you can start at 8:30 in the morning.
No problem, I'm
Alright,
warm,
then.
disappointed. I'm gonna go down there and see what can be done.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So I like how you cut it and it look good so far. So here what? You see peg? I love the fact that you move the peg and put it over there. So just make sure so you make the peg stay up this way there, because we are trying to take as much as the land as we can take in. So just finish go and clean up and we just go and watch and see what I go on in. So just go and do what you do.
Come in the general.
So you see I go on now, bossy?
I don't quite remember fully, you know, but I feel so on the pass the mark, you know. Because from up that side there, I don't think if it comes so far down on the foot of the hill, so they try to up that side is So maybe they have something wrong with the peg or something, but I need to check it. Because if I youth there clean up or so, I think we don't down too far.
You know, so we don't move down peg. Same place where we see peg, we just cut and I just say, we don't move nothing. So probably the best thing what you need to do, I get few people and come measure it over.
That's a word, man. We figure it out. But you no go though.
Yeah, man, we just go and clean up and get the place ready. Yo. Oh, stop. You are going. You see peg where you move? Me want you go for and come put it back here so. Before you see it, so go for it and come back and put it so.
I saw you miss call, but I end up on the road there, started some land business, you know what I mean? Some of that's finished now. So what's up? How you doing?
I'm just chilling right now. I actually just left the mall getting some stuff for my mom and things.
Differently though. Me ain't been talking for so long and I know me not see a picture of you.
Coming to Jamaica soon, so
You coming to Jamaica?
I'm sorry. Because I'm coming to soon.
But try and see if you can send me a picture though, you know what I mean? I would like to see who I'm talking to. I'm gonna recognize you when you come to Jamaica, you know what I mean? I know that you say you're shy and all this thing.
I'll
Yeah.
let you know it's me.
So apart from that, you're good though.
Yeah, I'm okay.
So I'm going back home now. So as soon as I get some time when I'm home, I'll call you back. But if my wife is there, you know, I won't be calling you back until she fell asleep in the night. I'll call you, okay?
Alright.
Can we face talk tonight?
If you want to.
I will see
You're
your
not gonna
face.
get in trouble.
I would like to see your face though.
Alright.
I'm gonna see your face.
Maybe, we'll see.
Alright, so alright, gonna go home now. Because I come over some errands. Try to get some lunch sale and things, so we talk soon though. I love your voice, I love your body, but I want to see your face. Alright, so we'll do that later. Alright?
Alright, babe.
Alright, stay sweet, baby girl.
You too.
You never know say walk, you go walk.
No, I can't exercise in the slippers, man. Because I'm gonna have to go put on the shoes there now.
Babes, I know say people no train in a or walk or jog in a slippers. And look how much sneakers you have.
Yeah, man, but that good though. But still, so me get some exercise in, and this soldier something is making me sweat, so that's good. And me get some
Me
exercise
too.
in.
Burn off all the calories. Look, see me I sweat. Me hot. Anyway, I never remember if you tell us that my daughter did call me, you know. The one that way overseas. She go come next week. But just make you know, come now and she just appear up so you say, well, me never make you aware, right?
Oh, when she come, that's good, man. You know what I mean? She have family, you know. Or your daughter. But that one that look, can I see her on picture when you're not turn up, look like she bigger than you. When you have that one, you know how much?
You know, say me have her very young. Me have her when me a 12-year-old. That's why she look like she bigger than me.
Alright, that good though. But anyway, you know, say a new housekeeper come today because something wrong with some people feel my country. She gone back home. That was Susan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so a new girl supposed to come this morning. You know what I mean? Come do an interview for Star World.
So why they always come to you with whatever problem they into and they not say it to me?
Because most of the time you know you're just kind of aggressive and then free to talk to you.
Okay.
You understand?
Alright,
So
that means me go start act better then.
just calm down and talk to
yeah,
them
me
now,
go
man.
calm down.
Morning, Fire. Morning, Miss.
Morning.
I am Alicia. I'm here about the help for work. I had an interview this morning.
You look a bit early though, but I like that. You know what I mean? Come inside, we have more for the road. Come. Alright, so how old are you?
I am 21.
Why do you want to work for us?
Well, I would like to send back myself to school, but in order to do that, I will have to get a job, so that is the reason why I applied for the job.
You have a resume? Some parts?
Yes, I do.
Check this and see. Alright, so are you an honest person?
Yes.
You ever thief nothing before?
No, sir.
You ever lie?
Yes.
You can't get to work then. You lie with a thief. Show me a trouble, man. But my wife have some questions to ask you. I'm just kidding with you, girl. Alright, ask her some questions to ask her.
Okay, hi again. Have you done 2-year experience of working with those couple?
Well, the previous couple that I was working with, I was with them for 5 years.
5?
Yes.
I thought you said 2. The current one or previous one? Which one?
Previous.
Okay, cool. No problem.
So what? Why did you leave that job though?
Well, the previous couple got divorced because the husband caught the wife cheating.
Oh.
So that is the reason.
Who them that cheated though? Me kind of inquisitive.
Well, the wife was cheating with the yard man.
So
And
who
the
you were
husband.
cheating with?
I wasn't cheating with anyone.
can you start working today?
Yes, no problem.
Alright, what we pay over the minimum wages. 50% above the minimum wages. Because we believe in people getting money. You know what I mean? So you do your work good, we give you bonus. And our house, treat it like it's your home, away from home. So you work and keep the place clean. Anything else here where it's not mine or my wife own, you can have it. You know what I mean? Ensures that my daughter there, she's kind of lazy. You know what I mean? So in that case, you have to go look about some food for her. You don't know, when she there live with her mother never teach her how to do anything. So now she will lay on her bed and not eat no food. You know what I mean? Because she just lazy. If no matter about it, I'm going to send her to a restaurant to get some food. So please, like you're there, cook something for her, make she eat. You know what I mean? So if I don't know if I pick me, you pick me. Alright, so anything else on?
Okay, I think we should start her off like a trainee because we have no idea how much she can do in her work. Like a temporary, not permanent right now.
So thanks for coming. I'm sure your kitchen. Come on this way.
Candy.
Little girl, as from today, make it be the first and the last, you say Candy. Me and you is not size. Me coulda be your mother. Look, by the way, look here. I told me and your mother make you feel say you can talk to me anyhow. I am your stepmother and you need to talk to me with respect. You hear me? Make it be the first and the last, you say Candy. Is either you say Auntie Candy or Miss Candy, whatever. X out the Candy, me ain't no size. You understand?
Yes, Miss Candy.
Where did come to me to talk to me? But
Oh, yeah, me did for ask you. Though, so now me are 16. Don't me can't have a boyfriend?
say you want to start have sex now? You know, say nothing.
Yeah.
Yes. Sex is not for your age. Older than you. Even though sex is for everybody, but under your time yet. You will get pregnant, a man with this one, your pitney. You can't have unprotected sex and catch disease. You understand? Me say if you understand. Don't shake your head off for me.
Yes, Miss Candy.
Okay. You did mention this to your father?
No.
No. Well, this too rough for me alone deal with. Me and your father are going to talk about this.
No, Miss Candy. Miss Candy, me nobody want have sex.
You see, the next time you come to me with him, the kind of argument there, make sure say you have it in your head, say me and your father are going to talk about this. Because you don't reach your age yet. I don't know you think about sex already. Anyway, me I go up on the road and make sure say you stay in the yard and stop call them friend because I don't know what they might tell you saying what you tell them saying no to Gina go and make your father take away phone from you. To out of that. Right. Joe, I don't understand how you come from morning and you don't call me, I know say you're outside.
I don't want to wake up, ma'am, so I just sit down, and go on and look out.
Call me.
True.
Like when I come out here now and come see you sit down and it look like a long time you come and not doing anything. I need you to take up them good ear for me and put them one side.
As soon as I done pay the bill, ma'am, I take them. No problem.
Alright then.
Morning.
Morning.
What you saying him again?
Alicia.
You're how much?
21.
Say I go work here long.
All depends. How you want me to stay?
Yeah, you look nice.
Nice. How was school you go?
Mona.
Oh, you so graduated now?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I find a little boyfriend it. No, no young girls stay, you know.
No?
You can't tell me now to the father or a stepmother.
No.
Alright, anything you say?
So you have a boyfriend too?
No,
Oh, why?
I don't want no boyfriend. Yet.
Why?
I just recently got out of a relationship.
Oh, you give your bun.
Yeah.
So you did beat the girl?
No. And all the time I must beat the girl. They hear sometimes my man need to get licked. Because sometimes if a man they not go lucky girl, they not come near a man.
That's true.
Yeah.
Well, hope you get a nice boyfriend.
Just make sure say you go to school and take an education. Because when I go to school, anyway boy up in the end me gone. I go no class. So I just me I work now, I clean people dirty house. I just try to save so I can set myself at school and to see if I can get one better job or do something for myself. When I go to school, everywhere boy up in the end me no school. All my parents said me go. When I go to no school.
So me can ask you something?
Mm-hmm.
So what you do, like dance?
No, I'm not done. When I go to school, it was just my mother alone. She never really have it, but I have to go to school same way.
If your mother never have it, why you never just do your work and stay in a school?
So I go to school, and the man that I used to par with, I be a hype car then drive. I be a cock up food pan, dashboard, KFC, Burger King every day. So I never really had time for school because I love a hype life. When I go to school, I be shortest uniform, best set of shoes, handbag, everything. So back in the days, you know, say you're hype and you know, for a girl them from the school and have them there something there. So back in the days, you never really had think about pay for subject, go to school and then so they just want to know say you eat and all of them so you party, you gone all over the place, big house with pool and all of them there something there.
No offense, I don't want to end up like you.
I want to move them, daddy.
Your wife, sir.
You look like a she have got to start tell if you do things. Can you see a red bag there? The red bag is move from when? For we tear down the part and fix our part, them things so I try to fix up already, but I don't know where they are this my time. But anyway, you just start work still, so. Mad up, but move that left though. Today. Get that out of the way today. You know what I mean, and do what you do. What part of my wife there?
You know, say she gone on the road, sir.
But you good though?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, go on. You see, yeah, go on with some work. So you want to get where drink?
Anything, sir.
Alright, see your money. Go buy yourself a drink. You know what I mean? Alright, do what you have. Hope say, I'm not talking about the lady, you know, when she at work, you know.
No man, she just keep me company.
Go and get something at the shop. Get me a Guinness and get a water for yourself. Don't buy the shop nearby though, so. More you go way around so, a corner. Go buy something and just take a time and take a time, don't walk fast on the road. Yeah, no go to near one. Alright, go on and come. I tell you about these kids them. Them things they on them a size. I said deal for your parents them now when they're younger?
No?
You can't say morning.
What?
I could be your father.
You wish?
Should I take that money there from your hand?
You say now your monthly salary, that's why you want to take this.
Don't worry your head. You soon get what you look for. A spice you want, a spice you can get.
What's your name?
Tasha.
So which part of you say you come from?
You know the big house that they run this out. The big blue house.
How old are you though?
19.
19? You know, 19 though.
But just small in a body, me a 19.
Mm.
So where you live? I never had see you before.
So you never hear about me before?
No?
Eh. You see the apartment over there, sir? And the one around there, sir?
Mm.
And me own them. Yeah, man, all of them I used to run this, sir. And I own them.
Oh, that means you have money. So you
Well,
don't want me no more, I could have helped you and nothing.
Yeah, man, because all of them run this, I feel me them.
Yeah.
So. Tasha. Nice to meet you, Tasha. I don't want to get you in any trouble with your little man, you know, because these little boys are jealous nowadays. So take care of yourself, yeah?
You too.
Alright.
When you small a difference, but talking about business though, that's what interesting. Alright. So you like it here though?
Yeah, man.
I like people that, I know, me myself is very observant. I want to go offer you something to drink. Why didn't you take it?
Me not gonna take it if me don't want it.
But listen me now. I feel like when I offer you something, you should take it. Because there's things I want to offer you. You know. For the first time I was interviewing you, my wife was there, so I couldn't say a thing to you. You know. But me I tell her, say, me have things say half of you. But me want you take. Me don't want when me offer you things, I say, if you don't want it or not, you take it. Do something with it. Because my time, I feel better giving you something than you even receiving it. You know what I mean? Some just want to have that thing there for me if you have a relationship like that. Get down to business. I offer you things, you take it. You understand? You don't want things out of life.
Well, in all the while, they say if you don't want it, you don't take it. You're not going to take somebody things and waste it.
You come along with things, with things like different fire pay. You know what I mean? Different fire pay. So that is just a little thing. Just think about it in the meantime. Here, I'll go get. We talk about it. But I like what place look and clean. And whatever we say to you, my wife know about it. Between me and you. Alright?
Alright.
Listen to saving fun. That teacher lesson, you must learn. Hello, stop raking. Remember that talk. Listen me now. You see that, you can silver them when you put them in a market place and save them. Right? Alright, so I go up on the road, you alright though?
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully you behave yourself, you know. And I go stop your cousin from coming over here, you know. Because I don't want to influence you and give you no man. You hear me? Because I see my bleach out himself, I put on him tattoo and the boy, I turn big man, you know. So I don't want him saying, okay, I'm friend them. None of my friends come over here, you know. Only friend can come as one girlfriend. Don't play with me. Go on inside and I left out a yard. But anyway, look for me and talk to you, no girl. I don't want you to look for me and talk to you. I want you to learn something. So here now, I will touch you now. Go on inside and don't left out of the yard. You hear me? Because I don't want you cannot belly in here before time. Anytime you carry one belly come, when you must have a roof over your own head, you push your own key. You know what I mean? I mean, talk bully beef, tin, key. All right, go on in. You all right, Sam?
Yeah, man.
You buy liquor already for yourself, something to drink?
Yeah.
Your nice son, you're dangerous. You may say now, remember if you move the red bag there. If it's too heavy, you pull it and drag you under. So when the garbage truck pass the top, you make the two boy them, give them a little change and you put in a truck back. You hear me? Alright, I'm going on the road. Lock off the yard, you know.
Yeah, man. No, you can't take all the time you want for the road. Let's take all the time.
And the little red boy, where I come, for my daughter, cause I don't want him over here, you know.
Anything else about
But me not ban him yet. But no make him no man friend over here. Him and cousin saying can come here But I don't like the boy and the boy represent. He carry man run up on my daughter.
All right, bossy.
So you know, you get an extra assignment. No man no fi come in my yard. Differently from if look a cousin can come, but apart from that, no man no fi come on my yard. Different from look a red boy carrying cousin. But apart from that, I get assignment to watch that out. Make
No,
sure.
man. No, man. Let's take all the time you want on the road. No, you don't have to come back, you know. All the time you want.
All right.
All the time in the world.
I'm going to Mario.
Yo, yeah, man. I'm there, dog. You know what I say? Around this, I'm there a while ago, and I see one little girl a pass. Little and neat to still. You see me? Just have to tell her, run a lie code on him, tell him say, I want 2 apartments, and he buy a story. But tell him say, I'm a big chopper.
Yeah.
I tell her, say, yo, she tell me she live somewhere down on the road, dog. Somewhere down here, sir. I tell me say, her name Tasha.
No, sir. I lie to tell. Tasha, I'm a cousin, you know. I don't know me, I go good on there.
What you say?
Yeah, man.
Are you cousin?
Yeah, my real cousin.
So hold on. I want him live down there.
Yeah, I don't like king in the man.
Brother, I don't really want to come down to people in place and I ain't getting no trouble, you know.
Yo, for the mayor part, everything covered. Forward.
No, man. Oi. Don't, man. You can't go on. Big zip. Can't come in the man's yard.
Brother, how are you?
Me are the man of the yard. Me get a strict order. You can't go in there.
Man, I reach yard. Brother, you know
You walk up like you're Bill Gates.
how this a little nigga?
Yo, boy. I saw him eat dinner sometime, you know. But the king say you can't come in. So you go. But here, so forward.
So, brother, I really care camera and stuff. If you make this a boy, I feel like he can stab me. Hey, boy, you know how me? Boy, you better know how
Listen
me.
me, I don't want to know your father and your father generation. And your pint gun finger, all right. Give a gun finger can shoot.
Jordan.
Yo, me no want you kill no man come back in man yard. I'm here in man yard, and you know that. Don't kill no man in man yard. I just feel a good boy, I'm not going to tell the boss, you know. But go and go eat your food.
I can't afford a dinner, I'm going to eat in the man.
It no matter, eat food. Why, look here, see, man.
Tasha!
Yeah!
How about?
May I come there?
Alright.
I'm going, cuz.
Go on, Tasha.
Yeah.
You know, for me, I walk from, you don't know what in the fridge can give me some.
They never say no water in the fridge.
Chaja. Guess what happened a while ago?
What?
You know, some I found with Mario a while ago. And the dirty yard boy out there, so. I raised up him man a while ago.
The girl man out there, sir?
Yeah.
I don't like that man there, no? Every day I see him coming and chatting with me like, say me and him a friend or I like him. I don't like him. By the way, which friend that?
You know Mario?
Mario. Yes, Mario. Oh. I'm going to get the yard boy they fired. I'm going to ask daddy to fire him. Because him don't fit out there. Him don't do work. Him don't do nothing. So him don't deserve to be out there.
Yeah, man. The yard boy have got fire.
For real. So where your friend there?
You know, so you do this bill. Compare some soon forward.
Oh. Well, I didn't make it a call.
Yes, mother.
Hello?
But man, are you there?
Move from my yard.
But I know some man in my church call phone and I'm not get to.
Girl, my phone did dead from last night.
I can't get this appointment, you know.
My phone did dead from last night and I did just take it up.
Alright, so anyway, still, I just from where I come, so I just want to make a clarification if they want me.
Oh, yeah, you can come.
Alright, then I come.
Yeah. So, yeah.
So, cuz, which girl that?
You know my friend. You want her?
Really?
Yeah.
Yo, more line up a thing for me, you know.
Ah, she walk come down here right now. Yeah.
Make sure I do it, you know.
Me I did feel.
Alright, I'm not gonna.
Wow.
Good evening, Tasha is here.
I would do anything for you, man. I tell you, you're beautiful.
I'm at with Tasha the
Oh, Tasha, the feisty one.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's inside.
I can call her for me, please.
No, you have to go on. Me and I no mesh. She's there. You're welcome anytime, yeah?
Tasha!
Why now? Put your damn bossy wife.
Tasha!
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Call you. Don't ever hear you. So what? There. I don't know if I'm man. I'm up and I'm hungry. I cook no food.
You know, Daddy, I want help her run this and she cook some dumpling. You want them?
What's your cook?
Dumpling. You want us?
Aye, do your thing. Man, I want too much. Just one dumpling I want. And you know, cook no else. Just dumpling alone. Be a dumpling.
This is not foreign. I want meal.
Do your thing, me. I wait.
What's your face?
Good evening, how are you?
You man, I know, say I'm your Tasha cousin, Ricky.
So first, me I see you.
You know, say I don't really come out here because I don't want to but sun burn out my color. That's why I'm staying.
Lord, I take long with the food to come like I remember dead before me eat something.
And she run this a girl. You know, close up door already. You know, waste no time, you know? How you know?
Hold it up, what about Daddy?
You know, me have something to tell you. Remember, say, me and you are the only man for beating at the yard. No other man if you come here unless your cousin. You know, say your cousin can man come here.
Over cousin? My daughter cousin?
Yeah. Can man come here if you come collect your daughter out of the yard?
But what you do?
Me have to draw the whole of our weapon, all water.
But no man not get to come in here though.
No.
Because my daughter may try bring her up the right way. So you see, you have the work like this now, you know say you can't get fired. Because you have the, I'm more extra ensure say I give you extra bonus for your pay.
What you mean? I'm like we had put a little bonus for
What give you a bonus for your pay?
Yeah, that me I talk about. What you mean? Go on through me, boss. Everything good?
Yeah man, everything good.
Aye.
What go on here, son? Daddy, what go on? Come here, what reason it? You may say you know, grown man. I know say you're my daughter cousin and you can't visit her. But when you catch him at time I just about crawl long, you find a bungee. You know what I mean? And I never get to tell you. Hope you're not carrying no man won't introduce to my daughter. You know?
No, boss, me not that.
Yeah, cause me I try to make sure say she reach the age where she can push out and have everything what she have. But me realize say everyone in the lane, every young girl I breed up. I know my daughter follow the same trend. So make sure say nah line up on no man, you know. But just say that, I don't know if you do it, but say that though, but everything is good though. You good?
Yeah, alright.
See your money, you go buy yourself a drink. You're a family. See your money, buy yourself a 50 bag. Because I know some young youth don't love no weed.
What's that for joke, man?
You know some work?
50 bag.
Yes, 50 bag.
Look what I give one of them blue money there.
I not enough money for bunny.
Alright,
Dog.
money there.
Alright.
So where bro man gone?
I said them gonna get something gonna get something. But good day. First may I see you. Yo, you must know little girl. Oh you have the guests and not to get no drinks. You have drink alright, get her something to drink there. Go and get this your friend Arizona and keep the change.
How we are go?
You send me out?
Me not have to send you.
Sorry.
Where you going?
Sorry, no?
Remember say the boss and go.
Sorry.
I want shop here go, man. Shop here go. Alright.
I'm not the one to beat around bush, you know, or bushes. You know what I mean? I'm a businessman. I speak what on my mind. I'm like how you look and think, you know what I mean? And I can tell there's some magnetism when I look in your eye, you know what I mean? And it's lovely. So I think I can be your sugar zazzy.
I'm not really too familiar with the sugar zazzy business.
In other terms, you know what I mean? I can take care of you.
That sounds interesting, huh? But if you're going to do a thing, I want Tasha to know what go on.
I got me think I'm gone already, no, G.
Yo, I need to tell myself wait, brother. I wait me there, I wait, come just wait for her to just come out so me can see her. But you see, little yard boy, I can't take them on the style, man. Try show up, man, thing a while ago.
Yo, bro. Talk to my cousin and it sound like everything governing, bro. I'm pretty close.
Are you?
Hi.
You know what? I'm going to look at privacy.
Listen, I don't take disrespect from people, but I have a number still, me call you.
Man, I just want him to get fired. They can come back tomorrow, come look for me.
I don't really want to get in a problem, you know.
But I have to come go shop for them, man. I have to go away for him come out here.
Alright, do that, man. Me link you.
Whatever we do, it has to be secretive. Because you know, I have a wife here, and I have different things that are complicated going on in this house. So, but what I'm telling you, it's like you look. I will treat you just like you look. Find the things in life. You know, we go to the finest place in the world. You know what I mean? To match up to your beauty.
You can get your number.
I'm gonna put your number in. Yeah, save it as Zazie. If you want to put sugar front tight, I put the sugar front tight.
Thanks, girl. I'm thirsty.
I want him there to talk to you about.
No, much just school business. Huh?
You, school business. Alright, ready. What you do now?
Girl, is it true like when you put my belly and now I can't get me out?
So look at her. Yeah, alright.
Yeah, you want to go? But
Just call where you go.
yeah, later.
Hi.
Yo,
You know what I'm saying?
you're not coming up further.
That's how I like deal with your wife, you know. At night, no, boss, I'm going to go home. Yeah, go home.
Go on home.
We need a bus here.
Huh?
Bus here.
Yo, tell Mike if you carry home. If you drive bus, carry home. That's the night.
What kind of world we live in?
Yo, you man say come in early in the morning because one thing to finish, you hear?
If I wait.
Where they all day?
You know, say my sister me got look for.
How she do?
You know, for them story already. All kind of problem. When I know this or that, they ever have problem.
Alright, well, today I go and finish up some good transaction. So go and put on the outfit. We're gonna have a wild night tonight. You're gonna be a graduate. You know what I mean? You want to be a college graduate. We're gonna have a wild night tonight. I'm gonna bring out the camera. We're gonna get some champagne and we have a celebration. Alright?
Okay, baby.
Get some rest because I'm gonna finish up this paper.
Okay.
Yeah, what? Why come link me right now? Cause I have a mission for you. I want some update from the assignment them where I did it from when. Right now, I'm over my house. Alright. Hold that. Who is that?
Malcolm.
Come in. Yeah, well, I see that. Alright, now. The people that let me tell you, let me see a picture of them where you say out. Alright, the more you just pay close attention to them. Every little move them make, that's what me know. But apart from that now, me have a different assignment. I don't know what I go on differently, but I don't think everything is going on straight with my wife. She give me some little question, never action. So apart from that assignment, me I give you the assignment if we go to court because of the prenups that we sign.
Like evidence.
Yeah, man.